air fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If you're ever in a need of a salty, crunchy, sweet, savory bundle of joy, this is your sandwich. I'm not a fan of the white bread. Today, I'm using sourdough bread. When you toast sourdough, the flavor really comes through. I cut my slice in half. If you ever made a sandwich and the two sides don't match, keep your slices flat on the table. On the first half, I'm spreading my peanut butter. I want a nice thick layer. On my second half of the toast, I'm spreading my jelly. I'm using strawberry jelly. Any jelly will work here. Once that's done, I place the two halves together with the jelly and peanut butter facing each other. Here, I have 2 tablespoons of melted salted butter. I brush one of the sides of my sandwich. This is the side we're going to place down in our air fryer. Once we get the sandwich in the air fryer, I buttered the other side. I'm using a standard setting on my air fryer, which is preset to 360 degrees and 15 minutes. Halfway through, I flip my sandwich. Tip: use a pancake flipper. It's a lot thinner than what I'm trying to use here. I'll finish it off for another few more minutes to get this side nice and toasted. Once we're done, a word of caution: the sugar in the jelly can be extremely hot. Let it rest before you dig in. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing for future videos.